'Tis the season to slay those holiday gift game. Today we're talking about turning memories into cosy treasures. Buckle up, it's about to get warm and fuzzy. With the holidays just round the corner, it's time to talk about the perfect Christmas gifts. Get ready for my top 7 Christmas photo ideas that will slay the competition. First one, behold the Bauble Blast. Transform your Christmas tree this year into a family photo gallery with these dazzling personalised ornaments. Print your favourite memories and hang them proudly. It's the perfect way to reminisce about the time the kitten tried to be the Christmas tree topper and everything else that your kid does wrong. Every bauble tells a story, and with this gift, your tree will be the talk of the tinsel town. Just prepare your relatives to spend more time admiring the ornaments than opening their presents. Number 2, the perfect portrait puzzle. We've all done this. Pick up your favourite photo and make it into the perfect puzzle and turn your furry friends or your little ones into a perfect masterpiece. It's a gift that keeps on giving because every time they finish it, they'll see their adorable faces once again. 3, my personal favourite, the Grandparents' Brag Book. Yep, we have done this multiple times, and you literally need to just grab your precious moments of your favourite thing and compact it into a nice little book for them, something they can either carry around or leave on the coffee table so they can brag to their friends, or even at the grocery store. You'll be the perfect grandchild of the year. Number 3, perfect one for the husbands, perfect mugshot mug collection. Yep, we have a terrible situation where you can turn your family's questionable life choices or fashion choices or embarrassing moments into a set of hilarious mugs, because nothing says love like sipping the morning coffee of mug with your husband's questionable taste. Of course, captured forever. First up, we've got those customised blankets, because who needs a plain old blanket when you can snuggle up in a warm fuzzy hug of memories? Wrap yourself or your loved one in nostalgia with blanket adore with special moments or milestones. It's like having a warm hug from the past. Personally, I like this one for the kids who are about to leave. Warning, side effects may include extreme coziness and a sudden desire to rewatch old movies. One that you can do at home is quite literally a hold up of photos in a jar. Yep, DIY very simply. Put together your favourite things, but write a little note, a little memory, a little thing, heartfelt message for a gift that's as thoughtful as decorative, because basically it's a princess project come to life. Let's face it, it's something you can do last minute. Pro tip, make sure that you seal it with love and sprinkle it with glitter, because, well, who doesn't love glitter this time of year? Photo coasters, sit, smile, protect. Yeah, let's talk about protection services in style with photo coasters. Say goodbye to boring coasters and say hello to a touch of sentiment with every little sip. And who doesn't want to put a hot coffee on top of your husband? We can debate that. And remember, a coaster without a photo is just a lonely place of work. Personalised calendars are a great one for grandparents and even mums. Mums have a lovely habit of making sure that they believe in making every day a celebration. We've got personalised photo calendars, and it's not just a practical gift, but it's a heartwarming journey through the year with your favourite family memories. Who knew this scheduling dentist appointments could be so sentimental? Spoiler alert, your family might actually look forward to Mondays or the first day of the month like mine does. Bonus, make sure that you think about singing those carols out, and don't forget that you can do your photo cards, sending a holiday cheer with a card that sings metaphorically, of course, sending out the choir of joy straight to those loved ones. May cause spontaneous bouts of holiday cheer and off-key singing, but hey-ho. And there you have it, my favourite Christmas photos to spread joy, laughter, and maybe a few tears of joy, of course. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more holiday hacks that slay happy gifting, and may your days be merry and bright. Have a good one.